know all of this, frankly, is a lot to take in, but to us, it is everything. Now, I see you've met my fellow gatherers. Good, very good. I am called Kembe. Now, to your eyes, this may look like a room filled with old junk, so allow me to clarify. Some of it's new junk. We humbly call ourselves the Gatherers because we search the galaxy for ancient relics, forgotten places, abandoned outposts, battle-ravaged planets, and what we find, we bring here. So where a stormtrooper might see worthless clutter, those who know see priceless history. And in these times, preserving our past may just ensure a future. Yes? Yes. Now, my friends, by this point, I'm going to assume that you all heard the legends of Luke Skywalker. We hear there is another. A new Jedi. Who knows her name? Rey. Yes. And what Rey is leading is the spark of hope we have all been waiting for. And that, my friends, is why you are here tonight. To look ahead to the future and to build this. A lightsaber. The lightsaber has been wielded by some of our greatest heroes and our darkest enemies. It is elegant, enigmatic. To build a lightsaber is an art. Now the saber is a reflection of the builder, with the force flowing between them. And tonight, you will feel that connection. Now enough babbling, let's get it. We start with perhaps the most important aspect of the lightsaber. The Kyber crystal, able to focus the energy of the force to magnify it. Now some say that the Kyber crystal is the heart of the lightsaber. The color of the crystal reveals the color of the blade. Now this you may already know from some of the great Jedi in our history. A blue crystal, such as the one wielded by the great master Obi-Wan Kenobi, his apprentice Anakin Skywalker, and, of course, Rey. Green, the crystal that called to Qui-Gon Jinn, Ahsoka Tano, Master Yoda himself, and Luke Skywalker. The violet crystal, rare and beautiful, like the blade wielded by Mace Windu. Red. There are some who call this the color of power and ambition. The crystal of Darth Maul, Asajj Ventress, Darth Vader, and now Kylo Ren. But these are the stories of the past, and we are here for you, our future. You will now choose your Kyber crystals. My friends, close your eyes. What color do you see in your mind? Choose your crystal and know that it is equally likely that your crystal is choosing you. Now, open your eyes and take your crystal. Well done. Well done indeed. You will now join that crystal to the aspects of lightsaber design that you chose moments ago on the other side of the workshop door. One important detail, listen very carefully. Make sure the crystal is resting on the tiny green tray at the top left of your workstation. Good. Very good. Now you will see it work on your hilt. This is the foundation of your lightsaber. Your center of control, and the thing that keeps your hands from disintegrating. In these boxes are the aspects of design that you've already selected. You'll find the chassis, activation plates, grip, emitter, and pommel cap. Now remember, building a lightsaber is a very personal journey. Just as you've selected your crystal, you will now choose each and all aspects of design that make your saber unique. Should you require help, or if you have a question, The gatherers are here to help, and all we need to do is ask. Now, let's build.
Raise your hand. My name is So we came out of the colors of our feet. Up on top.
It's on the bottom and the top, and the top is reloaded.
This is where we house the
The bottom of it first, I do this and I use my other hand.
So I find it easier when the colors inside the shape.
Our finished product will look like this.
I'm going to push it up on top with this line on the bottom to the center of the piece. So far in your activation, it's kind of activated like this. We're going to set one set, but it's really
There's going to be a red square and a blue rectangle. Do you see that?
once you have your set
There's matching red square and blue rectangle
they are
on
the
here.
same colors that are on each
You're going to put the red square on top of the red square and the blue rectangle on top of the blue rectangle.
side by side.
Beautiful. Once you have them in place, go ahead and slide up on your activation switch. Make sure it starts.
Those 1 and 2 will be
You
your
can move on to your grips when you're ready. You're going to choose two grips, whichever two you'd like as you score.
4 can be either go top or bottom.
You can move on to your grips. You're going to choose two grips, whichever two.
And we go inside first.
Once you're ready to install, make sure that finger band is facing towards your activation plate. And then you'll push down and twist. Secure it, okay?
One more for the bottom.
Perfect. Once you're ready to install it, keep in mind that the open end is the top of your finger. You're going to go ahead and move that finger band towards your activation plate.
Squeeze into it. Add a little bit of pressure.
And then you're going to push down and twist at the same time.
All timed up. We're going to go row 3 over here. It's going to go on top of the traffic.
So go ahead and slide it up.
You got it?
And now you're going to use your dominant hand to push down. And then use your other hand to twist it at the exact same time. And it should lock onto the activation plates themselves. Try turning it the other way.
And then finally, we're going to flip your chassis upside down. Once you're satisfied with your design, we're going to place them on the holders in front. Myself,
Perfect. So you'll do the same thing on the other side with whichever grip you'd like.
Looks like everything went well. Right here is activation switch. So when come back, so activation. Slide that up, you'll see the starter.
so the 10 days of Are you satisfied with your work?
Balance. Balance.
Good job. That looks fantastic, right? Go ahead and take a look at it. I do want to show you something possible about here that you should see your crystal. That's kind of fun, right? It has like a little nose.
How are you doing, my friend? Alright, so you have it on the other way. You gotta flip it this way.
So when Kenway says
Coming
activate,
together,
we're going to
very
slide
nice.
up on this activation switch. When you say deactivate, you're going to slide back down here, okay? Congratulations, it's green.
You're gonna go to row 3 for the emitter. It's gonna go on top of the chassis, twist it on top.
What's your crystal? Well done. Do you know what these ancient letters
And
mean?
then row 4 is your final step on the bottom.
You wear the mark of the Mythosaurus in connection to the Mandalorians? And you care to tell us what that is, or is it forever a secret? You passed that first test. You will not be eaten upon exiting the chamber. Very nice. Well done, my friend. Last bit, the pommel cap, and you're all set. What's your crystal? Very good. Well done. Good work, my young friend. Did you build it or did you inspire it? Very good. What's your crystal? How old are you? That's a lot of power for a 6-year-old. Are you sure? Are you sure? Yeah. What an interesting ride home here.
Alright, are you satisfied with your work? Alright, I'll go ahead and take a look for your final inspection. Alright, it looks good. So, when Kembe says activate on his signal, you're going to activate your lightsaber by sliding the switch up. And we're going to activate together as a group. There you go. Alright, congratulations.
Is that heavy? It's heavy.
What feels right? That's how you make that happen. What's your crystal, my friend? How many of you have chosen a blue crystal out of curiosity?
We do have the same red.
Raise your hand.
3. Intriguing. A green crystal. How many have chosen green? 1. Only 1. That might be your first, my friend. Intriguing. Only one nature lover in the room, perhaps. The very rare, exclusive, elusive, hard to find violet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, so much for rare and hard to find. Let's just settle for pretty, shall we? I hesitate to ask this next question, but ask it I shall. How many of you have chosen a red crystal? 1, 2, 3, standing right next to each other, and 4. They say they travel in twos. I see you have a pack. Intriguing. Well done. All right. Good work, my friend. Very nice indeed. Both of them. Beautiful. Excellent work. I'm going to take one final look around this room. Well done. Well done indeed. We've completed our hills. Now we move on. Trust us. Leave them exactly where they sit. Take a deep breath and step to the outer edges of the chamber. Gatherers, do your duty. The gatherers are now stabilizing your chosen Christians within these completed hills for their very first activation. Now this is the one thing you don't do coming out of the starting gate, because you must be trained, but my friends, your time is coming. Now we move on to the final aspect of our build.
With many parts you began. Yes. With the heart of the saber they are joined. Much more they will become. It's time.
Master Yoda, it is indeed time to take that first step. We've reached the final stage. The bond between Saber and Builder is about to be forged. In a moment, you will come forward, place your hand upon the hilt of your completed lightsaber. And when I give the word, you will for the first time activate your blades. Are you ready? Yes. Step forward, and on my mark, activate. Raise your sabers. You have built a lightsaber. Like the Jedi and the Sith who have come before you, you too can change the galaxy. Remember, it only takes a spark. And now, my friends, if you would be kind enough as to momentarily deactivate and lower your blade.
Complete your lightsaber is. Choose your path, not but like your way. It can. May the Force be with you.
Thank you, Master Yoda. My friends, in your hands you hold remarkable power. And remarkable power shouldn't be dropped on the floor. In order to protect what you have so valiantly built, we are pleased to grant you a saber sheath as you exit the chamber. Now, our time together is at an end, but your journey is just beginning. Time to make your mark on the galaxy. And remember, you are as unique and as extraordinary as the blades you've crafted. Perhaps next time, we shall tell your stories. Raise and activate your lightsabers. An honor to build with you. May the spires keep you. Through that doorway, my friends, farewell and good